Hello everyone. Today I'm going to work on another one of those dishwasher dirty clean signs. Now to start out, I got these at Walmart, wooden circles, and I thought they were 3 inches, but they're like 3¼ inches or whatever. So I painted it with this dark granite color, and then I found my center and I drew a line across. So I'm going to do the top half in one color and the bottom half in another color to represent dirty and clean. Then I also got these big huge magnets to use, and I just glue these on the backs with this E6000. This is clear, so you don't really see it. You just see the magnet on the back, and it'll hold it to the front of the dishwasher. So let's get started here. Number 7, and I'm going to do my center dot just in white. I'm going to use 2 colors and for each swirl pattern. So this is electric blue, and I'm using the number 3. I'm going to do a top dot, and I'm going to do the one side dot over on that side. And then I'm using this Atlantis colors. These are the 2 colors I'm going to use on the top. With the number 3, I'm going to put and a dot here. And I'm just going to try and split the difference. I did only this dot on the side because I'm going to put the other color here, the pinks. So now I got pink and purple for the other here, and then on the line over here, and then the pink color. This is all with the number 3. We're going to go up 1 each row as we go. Okay, that's the first row. Now we're going to go up to the number 4. Now this is where it's going to get tricky, because you just got to look at the dot. Like, this is purple, so the one in the next row I'm going to do purple. And then I'm going to skip and go to this other purple here. And I always do whatever's the dot is to the right, so that I don't get all turned around. So this one will be pink. And so will this one, in between those. And now we're going to go to the blue. And then this one. This is all with the number 4. And then this tealish color. Now, that was the number 4, so we're moving up to the number 5. Now we're going to go up to the number 6. And we're moving on to the number 7. And then we move up to the number 8. Okay, that was number 8, so we're going to number 9. Go to the number 10, and we'll go to the purple. And I'm just going to try and get this to go from here to here. I'm going to start with the purple. And I'm just going to do these as evenly spaced as I can. And I'm going to use the same number, the number 11, and I'm going to do blue ones the rest of the way, because I want to be able to tell the difference between which one is up. And with the swirls, it's a little hard to tell. Now, I'm going to go around that on the inside. I'm going to use the number 6, and I'm just going to put a white dot in between each of these all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the number 5, and I'm going to put pink dots down here and those teal dots up there. Now it's top dot time. So on these blue ones on the outer ring, I'm going to use this summer sky color. I'm going to use, number 5, I guess. I'm going to use the number 5 here, and I'm going to walk dots up. I can do 4, so I'm going to do that on the other one. I'm going to go down to the number 3, and I'm going to finish those. Now that's for the blue. I'm going to flip to this side and do the purples the same way. So I've got this Wisteria color. Okay, number 5 for the outside ones. Okay, now I'm going to do these inside purples. I'm doing like the other one. This is still with the number 5. And I can do, I think, 4 walking. Okay, now I'm going to go down to the smaller tool, which was number 3, I believe. Yep, and I'm going to finish all but the last one. Now I'm going to move on to the teal color. And for the teal, I've got this Acapulco, I can't say that word, but you can see how it's spelled, Acapulco. And I'm going to use the number 5 again, and I'm going to walk them in the center, do 4 of them, and I'm going to go down to the number 3 and finish those. And then I'm going to go to this Princess Pink color to go on the dark pink. And go back up to the number 5. And go down to the number 3 and finish those off. I think I'm going to leave it at that. So when you have it on your dishwasher, if this side faces up, that means it's clean. And if you turn it around and the purple faces up, then that means it's dirty. So if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. I do videos every day. They're uploaded at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. So I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.